This is a perfect segue to the introduction of AlphaCRS+. AlphaCRS is a proprietary combination of high-quality, standardized botanical extracts that do a remarkable job of scavenging free radicals to reduce oxidative stress and address the genesis of inflammation. When AlphaCRS does its job, we feel better, look better, think better, and have more vitality. I want to explain a little more about how this happens by highlighting the amazing ingredients in this product. This product is one of our most complex and comprehensive products. So take a deep breath while we review each of the powerful ingredients in this dietary supplement capsule. I'll begin with the components of our cellular longevity blend, and then talk about the ingredients in the cellular energy blend. AlphaCRS contains a standardized extract of Boswellia serrata to deliver boswellic acids, particularly 3-acetyl 11-keto beta-boswellic acid, a pentacyclic triterpene. This boswellic acid works to reduce and prevent inflammation by inhibiting leukotriene formation. Leukotrienes are a type of eicosanoid that mediates inflammation via the 5-lipoxygenase pathway. Next, we have Scutellaria bicalensis, commonly known as skullcap. This flowering plant has been traditionally used for centuries in both Chinese and Eastern naturopathy. The flavonoid bicalin that comes from skullcap has been studied for its benefit relating to hydrogen peroxide-induced oxidative stress disease. Polygonum cuspidatum is also known as Asian knotweed. This particular plant provides the well-known bioactive compound resveratrol. Resveratrol demonstrates therapeutic benefit as both a cardio and neuroprotective compound. Research indicates that the phenolic compound resveratrol exhibits both endogenous antioxidant enzyme activity, as well as epigenetic regulation of the tumor suppressor p53. The green tea extract, Camellia sinensis, is one of the most well-known botanicals used all over the world. This botanical powerhouse delivers polyphenolic catechins, bioactives for the benefit of numerous body systems. The mechanism of action by which these catechins work inside our bodies is primarily through the direct scavenging of free radicals. However, they also have the ability to potentiate endogenous antioxidant enzymes, regulate apoptosis, and reduce inflammation via modulation of nitric oxide synthase isoforms. Ellagic acid comes from pomegranate. It is a natural phenol antioxidant with multiple available functional groups for biochemical reactions. Its role in cellular health is partly due to its function as a broad-spectrum antioxidant with ability to scavenge and neutralize several types of free radicals, including reactive nitrogen species, reactive oxygen species, hydroxyl radicals, peroxyl radicals, nitrogen dioxide radicals, and peroxynitrite. But it doesn't end there. Ellagic acid has also been studied for its influence in helping the body to regulate proper cell cycling, cell lifespan, and cell turnover via apoptosis. Who knew that pomegranate was so powerful? The next player in our lineup comes from pineapple, specifically the pineapple stem. As a thiol endopeptidase, bromelain proteolytically promotes cellular apoptosis and debridement, or cleansing. This enzyme also works to prevent cell surface adhesion proteins that are involved in inflammatory pathways, most prominently the NF-kappa B pathway. Silymarin from milk thistle seed extract is our next key ingredient in the AlphaCRS cellular longevity blend. Silymarin is a well-known compound used the world over to support healthy liver function. As a hepatoprotectant, the flavonolignin silymarin, sometimes called silibin, is the most popular natural compound for the treatment of hepatic diseases. As an antioxidant, it functions by stabilizing biological membranes via reduction of free radicals. It also metabolically stimulates hepatic or liver cells to form new proteins. When we speak of cellular health and metabolism, no organ is more critical than the liver. From the digestion and absorption of our food to the cleansing and detoxifying of our blood, the liver performs absolutely vital functions in our overall health. And utilizing the silymarin from milk thistle seed extract in AlphaCRS is one of the best ways to support our liver health. Turmeric, one of the world's most beloved botanicals, delivers curcuminoids to support not only the scavenging of free radicals, but also the interruption of the inflammatory cascade to support healthy inflammatory responses. Because the curcuminoids from turmeric have many downstream cellular targets, these bioactive compounds are sometimes referred to as having polypharmacological impact, meaning they benefit multiple body systems. That's pretty cool. The oligomeric proanthocyanidins from grapeseed extract are high-potency antioxidants with the capacity to reduce oxidative stress, which benefits many body systems. These phenolic compounds benefit the body in helping to avoid a variety of disease states that arise as a result of excessive oxidative damage. Studies indicate that grapeseed proanthocyanidins significantly reduce malondialdehyde, a biological marker of oxidative stress. Furthermore, these same grapeseed compounds also confer anti-inflammatory benefits by inhibiting the formation of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Next up in this amazing blend is the standardized sesame seed extract. This ingredient provides lignans, a distinguished class of phenylpropanoids, which are particularly beneficial in protecting our endothelial cells from oxidative damage. Endothelial cells are found throughout our body as a thin, delicate lining of our blood vessels. Our blood vessels play a critical role in providing vital nutrients and oxygen to all parts of our body. They also function to remove toxins and other waste products from our tissues. You can see why protecting these cells is important, and how sesame seed extract helps in this regard. And finally, we arrive at pine bark extract, a unique source of dietary proanthocyanidins, which have particular benefit in protecting the heart. However, it doesn't stop there. In vivo studies have demonstrated numerous health benefits from the consumption of pine bark extract, including heart, joint, brain, urinary, and skin benefits. That was quite the review of cellular longevity ingredients that do so much to support your cell's health and proper function. Did you notice a theme? One of the best ways the ingredients in AlphaCRS protect our cells is by scavenging free radicals, both exogenous radicals generated outside the body, as well as endogenous radicals that are produced in our cells as a result of living. And it is about this living process that I want to talk a little more. Maintaining our health requires a lot of work each and every day. In fact, transmembrane proton flux through the mitochondrial ATPase synthase complex occurs at an estimated rate of 3 × 10 to the 21st protons per second. This corresponds to ATP reformed at a rate of 9 × 10 to the 20th molecules per second, or approximately 65 kilograms of ATP recycled per day in a normal resting adult. Think of that. That is more weight in the recycling of ATP than many of you weigh each and every day. That calls for some robust mitochondrial support, and we deliver that in the cellular energy blend of AlphaCRS. Healthy mitochondria are your cell's energy factories, powering your ability to breathe, drink, eat, run, perform, work out, and live. These tiny assembly lines live inside your cells and turn food particles into a chemical form of energy called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is what your cells use to continually recharge and renew themselves. Healthy mitochondria contribute to a variety of health benefits. Let's take a closer look at each of the players in the cellular energy blend to convey one of the uniquely powerful benefits of this cellular health supplement. The first key ingredient in our cellular energy blend is acetyl L-carnitine. This particular ingredient helps facilitate the transport of long-chain fatty acids into the mitochondria so they can be oxidized as a source of fuel to produce cellular energy. Though our bodies are capable of biosynthesizing this compound, we are only able to make about 25% of the L-carnitine that our bodies need. Thus, proper nutrition and quality supplementation are vital. Alpha-lipoic acid is an organosulfur compound that is found in the mitochondria, where it functions as a cofactor for pyruvate dehydrogenase and alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complexes. And complex is the correct word to use to describe these processes. In the mitochondria, as a player in the Krebs cycle, alpha-lipoic acid facilitates both glucose and lipid metabolism. Again, like acetyl L-carnitine, our bodies can make a small amount of alpha-lipoic acid, but not as much as they need. Hence, the need for good nutrition and quality supplementation. Next, we have the well-known coenzyme Q10, also called ubiquinone. This compound is an electron transporter that works in the mitochondria to generate proton and electrochemical gradients, which are necessary to drive the non-spontaneous or endergonic process of creating the storage form of cellular energy, known as ATP. To support the nearly 2,500 mitochondria in each human muscle cell, the need for CoQ10 is real. Ginkgo biloba delivers flavone glycosides. These flavonoids act to directly scavenge oxidants, primarily hydroxyl radicals, which benefit several cell types. In mitochondria, these reactive compounds are highly